In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoice settings in Hubstaff. If you've ever felt that the way your invoices look or function doesn't quite meet your business needs, then this tutorial is for you. We all know that invoices are more than just a request for payment. They represent your company and reinforce your brand. So, let's dive into customizing them in Hubstaff to better reflect what your business is all about. First, we'll start by logging into your Hubstaff account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is your central hub, providing an overview of all your ongoing projects, time-tracked, and of course, billing activities. Now, direct your attention to the lower left corner, where you'll find the Settings option. Click on that to expand the menu. Next, you're going to want to navigate to the Billing section. It's in this part of the menu that you can manage everything related to how your business handles finances, from subscription details to client invoicing. Click on Billing and let it take you to its dedicated page. On the Billing page, you'll see various sections, but our focus today is on Client Invoice. Click on Client Invoice to access the customization options. This section is your gateway to altering how invoices are formatted and personalized, providing an opportunity to tailor them to fit your company's identity more closely. Here in the invoice settings, you'll see several fields that can be adjusted. Let's start with the basics, your company name and logo. It's important that these are always correct and up to date, so your clients can easily recognize who the invoice is from. You might also want to double check your contact information, like the address or phone number, to ensure they're accurate. This step is crucial. Your client needs to know how to reach you if they have any questions about the invoice. Next up is the invoice template. Hubstaff offers pre-designed templates, and selecting one is as straightforward as clicking on the options available and seeing which one resonates most with your style. Feel free to browse through and choose the aesthetic that best matches your brand's look and feel. Don't forget to set your currency and preferred payment terms. Depending on where your clients are based or how you usually conduct business, choosing the correct currency ensures there's no confusion in amounts owed. Similarly, setting clear payment terms can prevent misunderstandings about due dates or late fees. Now that you've tailored the basics, review everything once more before you save. It's always a good idea to double check for typos or incorrect info, as professionalism in your invoices reflects your business's credibility. So that's it. You've successfully customized your invoice settings in Hubstaff. By taking these steps, you've not only made your invoices look fantastic, but you've also streamlined the billing process, making it easier for clients to understand and pay their invoices on time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides like this one.